This is ending September 16. It's been about 15 days. Again, sorry for the delay, but let's take a look at where we are with some of our big telecommunication stocks and what they've been doing over the past 2 weeks. We'll start off with BCE, and I think we left off, let's see, right about here. Let's get the marker here. We left off right about here, and over the past couple weeks, not been performing that great. Had a big down day. Interesting, right around dividend day. So not sure what happened overall, but over the past 3 days, it's been doing okay. Has a big recovery on Thursday and Friday, but you can see overall quite low comparative to mid-June and overall for the year. So BCE price is down, and we'll move on to Quebecor. You can see it's gone below. It was doing okay. It had a series of higher lows. Pretty good action, pretty good price action, but while it had higher lows, its highs were fairly flat, and it looks like over the past 2 weeks it has broke below that trend line that we had. Just like BCE had a good couple of days, Thursday, Friday, but overall generally lower. You see this big arcing downward since mid-August. So not sure what's happening there. If you want to pick it up, go ahead, but its price is well below all the moving averages. Rogers, I think of all of these stocks has had, these telecom stocks has had the most interesting action. Of course, in general, it's continued its big downward trend with lower highs and lower lows. Couple of interesting days, and let's get in there a little bit closer. Was that the 5th or the 6th of September and the 13th of September? Some big volume days, and the past 2 days, so past Thursday, past Friday, look at those volume spikes, and nice big up days. A lot, the increases have been much bigger than the recent past. So it's very interesting what's going on with Rogers. I can't really explain it. I just look at the price action. I try not to get too into what's happening with the company or from a macro environment. We can spend a lot of time doing that, but I'm more interested in this. So interesting action with Rogers over the past 2 days. That volume spike on Friday is absolutely phenomenal. So I'm going to keep a close eye on that one. Shaw Communications, of course, involved with the buyout from Rogers. That's still underway, and again, in general, its price has not been performing well over the past week, down, and overall sideways. So not a lot to say about Shaw Communications. And the last one we're going to look at is TELUS, really mirroring all the other ones, generally down since we last looked at this. 2 positive days on Thursday, Friday, but not really much, not as big action in volume or overall price increase compared to Rogers. So Rogers probably the most interesting one to look at. The other ones have been pretty much mirroring themselves and just generally down. So don't forget to like and subscribe. We try to get these out as at least once a week. Sorry about the delay again. And we're going to introduce a new sector very soon. So thank you, everybody.